Number 1. The 1962 Chrysler Imperial Sedan 4D, priced at $16,000. This 1964 Imperial is a full-size luxury classic that, according to the seller, turns heads everywhere. It is powered by a 413 V8 engine and is described as starting right up with a strong, aggressive sound. The seller states that the car has received several recent updates, including a rebuilt carburetor, new spark plugs, a new fuel filter, and a new alternator. This vehicle is 19 feet long. The car is registered through April, and the seller notes that they are not interested in trades. Located in LA Pente, California. Number 2. The 1973 Plymouth Duster, priced at $10,500, mileage 880,000 m. This 1973 Duster retains its original stock 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the car has been upgraded with a new carburetor, fuel pump, and gas tank. The vehicle rides on Pro wheels. While the Duster runs and drives well, the seller states that it still needs restoration and finishing touches. This is a cash-only sale, and the buyer must arrange pickup. The seller is not interested in trades. Located in Asheville, North Carolina. Number 3. The 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $10,500, mileage 59,000 m. This 1974 Dart Swinger is described by the seller as an all-original survivor car, solid both inside and out. It is powered by a 318 V8 with a 2-barrel carburetor, paired with an automatic transmission. The seller notes that the car has received new brakes, spark plugs, wires, and shocks, while the tires are in excellent condition. A dual exhaust system has been added to preserve the originality of the dashboard. The seller installed a Bluetooth amp with 6x9 speakers, keeping the factory AM radio intact. The exterior features a classic two-tone look with a white body and black top. The seller states that the front seat needs reupholstering and the fuel sending unit needs replacement, but a new sending unit is included in the sale. Additionally, the car comes with a complete Edelbrock 4-barrel setup. The seller originally had modification plans but ultimately decided the car was too nice to cut up, asking $10,500. Located in Wilbar, Pennsylvania. Number 4. The 1974 Plymouth Fury, priced at $15,800. According to the seller, this 1970 Fury 3 is a true barn find with 57,000 original miles, featuring a pristine interior that still retains its original clear rubber floor mats. It comes with the iconic Fury bulge hood, complete with functional directional light cutouts. The car was parked in 1984 and sat untouched for decades before being revived. While the body has some scrapes, dents, and scratches, mostly on the passenger side, the car has undergone significant mechanical work to ensure reliability. The original 318 V8 engine was rebuilt to factory-like specifications with a Comp Cam's 22-23 camshaft. The heads were completely redone with hardened valve seats, a 3-angle valve job, new valve seals, and resurfacing. The seller also installed new push rods, replacement rocker arms, a new oil pump, piston rings, freeze plugs, and motor mounts. The cooling system received a full overhaul, including a new water pump, an aluminum radiator, and a full system flush to clear out solidified coolant from years of sitting. Additionally, the transmission fluid was flushed, and a new filter was installed. The braking system was refreshed with a new master cylinder, wheel cylinders, and brake shoes on all 4 corners. New shocks were installed, and the heater control valve was replaced with a NOS unit. The AC system was recharged, and the seller confirms that it blows cold. The car also rides on brand new Cooper Cobra tires, with a matching spare included. The original hubcaps come with the car, though the seller preferred to install a different set from another Fury 3 for aesthetic reasons. While the car is in very good running condition, the power steering box has a slow leak, requiring occasional fluid top-offs. Additionally, the rear leaf springs are worn, but the sale includes brand new replacement springs, bushings, U-bolts, and hardware, though they have not yet been installed. The seller notes that this Fury completed the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour without any issues and describes it as a comfortable and reliable cruiser. Located in Livingston, Tennessee. Number 5. The 1965 Chrysler 300, priced at $7,500, mileage 168,000 mi. This 1965 Chrysler is painted in a rich burgundy exterior with a matching burgundy interior. The seller originally purchased the vehicle with plans to restore it and take it to hot August nights, but life circumstances have led to the decision to sell. While a lot of work has already been completed, the car still requires some additional attention. It was last driven about a year ago, with the most recent photos taken at Fulham Lake. The seller is open to serious offers and is looking for an enthusiast who can complete the restoration. Located in Granite Bay, California. Number 6. The 1963 Plymouth Belvedere, priced at $7,500. Applause. This 1963 Belvedere is a classic full-size sedan featuring a 318 V8 engine paired with a push-button automatic transmission, a signature feature of Chrysler products from this era. Finished in an off-white exterior with a gray interior, this car has had only 2 owners and comes with a clean title. The seller states that it runs well and has received many new parts, making it a solid driver. Located in El Sobrante, California. Number 7. The 1971 Ford Torino, priced at $12,500. According to the seller, originally sold new at Thomasville Ford in Georgia, this car retains much of its originality, featuring a factory 302 V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a blue interior, the Torino has a straight and solid body with original floors and trunk showing no evidence of patch panels. While the paint appears to be a 90s-era budget respray, the car still presents well. The vinyl top is rust-free, though there are a couple of small tears at the rear. Recent work includes the addition of power steering, all new brakes, wheel cylinders, and master cylinder, as well as a tune-up, seat repairs, new package tray, new wheels and tires, wiper motor, and fresh valve covers. The interior is in good condition, but the heater controls need to be connected and the gas gauge functions inconsistently. The seller states that the car runs and drives great. Located in Morganton, North Carolina. Number 8. The 1962 Chrysler Imperial Sedan 4D, priced at $16,000, mileage 101,000 miles. This 1963 Imperial is a one-owner classic, described as being in like-new condition both inside and out. The car is powered by a 361 big block V8, paired with an automatic transmission. As the seller notes, the exterior and undercarriage are in very good shape, reflecting the car's well-preserved history. The seller states that it drives perfectly, making it a turnkey classic ready to enjoy. Asking $16,000 or best offer. Located in Berea, Kentucky. Number 9. The 1971 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, priced at $12,500, mileage 48,800 miles, manual transmission. This 1971 Karmann Ghia features a white body with a rebuilt engine and an interior in good condition. The seller notes that the car's nose has never been damaged, and there are no significant rust issues. Only a few small scratches are present, which are barely noticeable on the white finish. The pans are clean, the heating system works well, and a Bluetooth radio has been installed. The car comes with its original wheels and a completely new suspension with a modest lowering that doesn't compromise ride quality. Located in Southbury, Connecticut. Number 10. The 1968 Ford Fairlane convertible, priced at $4,865, mileage 121,000 mi. This 1968 Fairlane is powered by a 352 V8, paired with an automatic transmission, and it's described as driving and handling great. The car features a wide exterior with a striking red interior, complete with vintage tuck and roll upholstery. As the seller notes, the convertible top operates flawlessly and comes with a white parade boot cover with all snaps intact. Other notable features include chrome wheels, a fresh Holley carburetor, Edelbrock valve covers, a new fuel tank, and a new dual exhaust system. The trunk floor is solid and retains the correct pattern trunk mat. Reverse leaf spring shackles give the car an aggressive stance. Clean and clear title in hand. Located in Marion, North Carolina. Number 11. The 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, priced at $1,000, mileage 120,000 miles, automatic transmission. This 1975 Corvette has a recently applied gunmetal black paint job. The exterior is paired with a black interior, maintaining a classic Corvette style. Mechanically, the car features a new Holley carburetor along with other updated components. It also has 2 new tires. The seller states that the car runs and sounds good, though no further details are provided on its mechanical condition. Located in Johnson, Kansas. Number 12. The 1961 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $6,500. This 1960 Chevy Biscayne sedan comes with a clean Nebraska title and is described as a running and driving vehicle. It is powered by a small block V8, though specific details on the engine's condition or modifications are not provided. The exterior features a 2-tone red and white paint scheme, while the red interior appears to be in good condition. The seller does not mention any major issues but also does not specify recent work or upgrades. Located in Fremont, Nebraska. Number 13. The 1967 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $115,000, mileage 92,000 miles. This 1967 Thunderbird is powered by a 6.4 L390 V8 and has received several recent updates. According to the seller, the engine was rebuilt less than 6,000 miles ago with over $6,800 invested, including a mild cam upgrade. A new Edelbrock AVS-2 carburetor was installed just a week ago, along with fresh spark plugs and valve covers. The car also features a dual exhaust system and a 14-bolt rear end. The exterior retains its original paint, which the seller describes as being in great condition, while the original interior is said to be in excellent shape. The car has recently been fitted with new Cooper Cobra tires. As the seller notes, everything works as it should, and the car drives great. Located in Rochester, New Hampshire. Number 14. The 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $11,000, mileage 124,000 miles. This 1971 Cutlass is equipped with a 455 V8 and an automatic transmission. While the car starts, runs, and drives, the seller notes that reverse is going out. The ignition has been upgraded to an electronic system, but timing issues persist due to clearance with the manifold. Once warmed up, the car reportedly runs well, though it is cold-natured. Recent maintenance includes a new starter, alternator, and fuel pump. The body is in good shape with only a few dings and scratches. The black paint is rated as a 7 out of 10 by the seller. The undercarriage is described as very clean, and the tires are nearly new. The interior has been redone, though it still needs a headliner. The car does have an oil leak, but the source is unknown. The center console is not currently installed, and the column shifter is in use. Originally painted red, the car comes with its original hood. The seller has had it mostly sitting in a shop and is looking for someone who has the time to finish it properly. Open to trades for another classic car. Located in Tuttle, Oklahoma. Number 15. The 1976 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe 2D, priced at $18,500, mileage 48,000 miles. This 1976 Camaro features a factory 5.7 L350 V8 and an automatic transmission, both of which are described as running smoothly. The car has been owned for over 5 years and has consistently started without issue, passing smog with ease. The exterior sports a House of Colors apple red paint job complemented by LED headlights and red halo parking lights. The body appears to be in solid shape, making it a nice cruiser or weekend car. The interior has been updated with black and red diamond-stitched seats, which are in great condition with no rips or tears. It seats 4 passengers comfortably. This Camaro is a factory AC car, and the air conditioning is fully functional, along with the heater. The car is also equipped with a new Kenwood stereo featuring Bluetooth, AUX, USB, and Alexa compatibility. It has 6x9 speakers in the rear deck lid and pre-installed wiring for an amplifier. The seller is asking $18,500 or best offer. The car is currently registered through September 2025. Located in Sacramento, California. Number 16. The 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $17,000, mileage 3,677 miles, manual transmission. This 1960 Bel Air is a full-sized four-door sedan featuring a custom paint job with pinstriping. Under the hood, it's powered by a 350 small-block V8 engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The car runs and drives well, with smooth suspension providing a comfortable ride. An aftermarket aluminum radiator has been installed for improved cooling. While the car was not originally equipped with AC, the complete AC system, including the compressor, evaporator core, condenser, hoses, and interior vents, is included and stored in the trunk, ready for installation. The seller is handling the sale for their father, and the price is firm. Located in Ardmore, Oklahoma.